This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice or a recommendation to invest. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the Price Action Toolkit by FluxCharts, an essential tool for both beginners and experienced traders. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your trading, this toolkit automates key price action concepts and integrates ICT and smart money principles. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about fair value gaps, FVG. A fair value gap is an imbalance between buyers and sellers in the market, leaving a gap where price will eventually fill or return to balance unfilled orders. The Price Action Toolkit automatically identifies and plots these FVGs directly on your chart, helping you spot key price levels that are likely to be filled soon. Next, we have inversion fair value gaps, IFVG. These are invalidated FVGs that signal a shift in the market's momentum, indicating a potential trend reversal. The Price Action Toolkit automatically detects these for you so you can stay ahead of the market. Now let's dive into order blocks. An order block is a zone where a large amount of limit orders is placed, often causing a significant reaction when price revisits it. With the Price Action Toolkit, you'll see these order blocks automatically plotted on your chart so you can capitalize on these key levels. Similar to order blocks, we also have breaker blocks, BB. A breaker block is an invalidated order block which signals a market structure shift from bullish to bearish or vice versa. The Price Action Toolkit automatically identifies these, helping you spot key turning points in the market. One of the more advanced features of the toolkit is liquidity grabs. These occur when a large number of pending orders are triggered, causing sharp price movements. Liquidity grabs often lead to market reversals, and with the Price Action Toolkit, you'll see these events clearly marked on your chart with a bubble indicator. Understanding market structures is crucial for recognizing trends and reversals. The Price Action Toolkit detects and plots break of structure, BOS, change of character, CHoCH, and change of character plus, CHoCH plus, all automatically. This feature helps you identify trend shifts without the need to manually track every move. Another important feature is equal highs, EQH, and equal lows, EQL. EQHs are swing highs that price later retests and rejects, while EQLs are swing lows that show similar behavior. The Price Action Toolkit automatically plots these on your chart, making it easier to spot significant levels for potential trades. Let's talk about liquidity levels. Buy-side liquidity, BSL, and sell-side liquidity, SSL, are price levels where a large amount of buy or sell orders are sitting. These levels can be vital for identifying where price is likely to move. The Price Action Toolkit plots these levels automatically, giving you a clear view of the market's potential direction. Next, we have premium discount zones. These zones help you understand whether you're buying or selling at a discount, paying a premium, or trading at fair value. The toolkit automatically identifies these zones, giving you valuable context for your trades. If the price is below the equilibrium zone, it's at a discount, and above the equilibrium, it's at a premium. Let's move on to volume imbalances, VI. A volume imbalance occurs when there's a gap between the open of a candle and the close of the previous one, signaling potential price movement. The Price Action Toolkit automatically detects and plots these volume imbalances, helping you track key price movements. With multi-timeframe analysis, MTF, the toolkit plots highs and lows from multiple timeframes, giving you a broader market view. Whether you're trading on a 15-minute chart or a daily chart, the toolkit provides critical context to help you make more informed decisions. The Price Action Toolkit also highlights various trading sessions. This feature is helpful for determining trade biases and planning based on session-specific price action, giving you a clear view of market behavior during different trading hours. Now, for one of the most convenient features, alerts. With the Price Action Toolkit, you can set alerts for new order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity grabs, and more. This ensures you never miss a potential trading opportunity. Setting them up is easy. Just head to TradingView, add the toolkit, create your alert, and customize your notification preferences. If you're ready to enhance your trading with the Price Action Toolkit, head over to TradingView, add it to your chart, and start using these powerful features today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.